Hey, welcome back to the channel, Non-Consensual Towing. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and do this quick. We're going to do the drawing from video 139. We're going to pull 10 names, just like we did on last video. These are the comments in Parking Revenge 139. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to screenshot it. You'll see who wins on the random selector. And the first one winner up is going to be Mike P. First winner is Mike P. Number 2 is Gunnar Gilge. Number 3 winner, Paul Luttrell. Number 4 winner is Matt Wachowski. Maybe I pronounced that right. Dan W. is my next winner. Dave Chappelle is my next. I believe that's 5 or 6. My next winner is Summer Lightfeather. My next one is Missy Dog 2. Up next, we got David H. watching from the Philippines. Shout out. The next winner is Mad Swede from Sweden. Shout out to Sweden. Anyway, if your name got pulled on the giveaway, shoot me an email, towtruckerbiz@gmail.com. Send me a link to your screenshot or a link, something like that connects you with your YouTube account. That way I know I send the money to the right person. But anyway, I want to thank everybody. I'm doing more giveaways in the future. This is not the last giveaway. I'll be doing a bunch more giveaways as time goes by. I want to thank everybody for watching. Thanks to my subscribers. Thank my boss. And last but not least, man, I want to thank God, man, for doing what he does and keeping me safe every single day. Anyway, peace. What's up, big dog?
What's going on, man?
You all right, man?
You good?
Yeah, I'm
you
good,
got a black Dodge van right here.
Okay, I'll mix
that.
it.
You got a Nissan in that corner.
Okay, I'll go get it. You got it. I'll pull down there. I'm gonna spin around.
They told them folk to move. They said,
I had to stop and look at the sign. I ain't trying to let neither one of mine get I'm up in the there.
Anyway, y'all ain't met Rodney, man. That's one of our, that's a long time employee, man, here at McCullough Towman. Well, Rodney's worked for the boss for a lot of years. Anyway, he just came back, man. He knows how to tow, that's for sure. I started out way back when working with Rodney. Anyway, the resident was pulling up asking us what, you know, asked us if we're towing. I think Rodney told him, yeah, man. Anyway, the resident said, yeah, I had to stop and read the signs. So they got signs posted about parking. That resident said, I'm not letting mine get towed because he's stopped and read the signs, man. He knows what time it is. And he said he wasn't going to let anybody get his because he was moving them. But we got 2 on this section right here. I'm sure somebody's not going to be happy about it. But sometimes that's the way the business goes, man. Huh?
yeah, you got to do YouTube.
Yeah, man. What's up, man?
I
How
watch
you
your
doing?
shit all the time.
Pretty funny, ain't it? Yeah, we're yanking out of here today.
Yeah. Yeah, that's my brother's car. He just got it yesterday.
Okay, it's $100 bucks. $100 yeah.
You got $100 right now?
Damn, I wish he'd have got it, man. We moved it twice. I wish he'd have got it earlier, man. It's just what it is, man. What happened? Hey, let me go ahead and that's fine. I'll write your receipt real quick. Okay. Hey, just tell him Hey, man, because he's going to be flipping around building the building. Make sure you don't get towed again. It cost him $100, man.
I got you, man. All
Yeah.
right, awesome.
Hey, you have to call him. Call that number. Yeah, I can't swipe the card. If you'll call him, and he'll take payment.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, I'll let him know right now that you're calling.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the house real quick.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
Right,
Yeah, you got it. Hey, if you will, let's see. Is your brother gonna come back out?
Yeah.
Tell him to bring the key, because I'm gonna drop when you pay. I gotta drop it. We kind of got to do it quick.
Okay.
When he pays, I'm gonna back it off, and he can drive it wherever spot he wants.
Okay, cool.
Does it run?
Yeah, it does run.
Okay. Yeah, tell him to come back with a key.
Okay, cool.
I'm gonna call him, let him know you're calling to pay.
All right, man.
Yep. Anyway, this guy here, he watches the channel. That's pretty cool, man. Yeah, I wish I could give the guy a break. But I can't. I can't do that, man. That's not it's not what I do. This is company. It's all company money. I can't give breaks, because it's not fair to the other residents that live here. If the property sees me, if I drop one for somebody, and then everybody else gets charged, it's not fair. So I got to keep it. I got to keep it legit, man. They got to pay his brother. This is his brother's car, and he actually he got hooked. But anyway, he's a nice guy, man. Both of them seem like real nice guys. The only thing is, man, this work, man, it's what it is. This is what makes this channel a reality channel, man. It's a reality channel. I'm not out here doing pranks, man. This is real towing, and I have to charge, man, and that's just the way it goes, man. This manager's, just like I said earlier, man, he may change his mind. He changed his mind. He's relocating them now. He's not impounded. So that guy, my subscriber, he's only having to pay $45 to have it moved. He's not paying the $100 drop fee. The manager, hey Madeline, hey, listen, hey, the manager has changed his mind, and so that last credit card, I'll make sure you charge the guy $45 and not $100. Yeah, because there's so many over here, he don't want to impound them. The manager's changed his mind again. So we're moving them now. We're not. I don't want to charge that guy the impound fee if nobody else got charged it. They changed up. Yep. Put 45 on it, and I'll explain to Ian too what happened. Hey, we're rolling in down here. We got a call downtown for some impounds. We've towed out of here before. This property is actually really tight. And all you seatbelt police out there, I just pulled my seatbelt off because I'm fixing to pull in this property. And I also had to put my chest mount on, but I'm fixing to pull in and yank one or two. But this manager, she's pretty strict. They got parking problems on this property here. That's a fact. I just hit 100K on the channel. Real happy about that. Big thanks to all my subscribers and everybody. But we're pulling in. I'm pulling in right now and see what she wants towed. I think it is hard if people pull in here with a tow truck. It's so packed. I can't even make this corner right here without going over the curb. Let's see. Well, I think I'm going to be able to make it today. Yeah, I made it. Hey there. How you doing? Doing good. Yeah, just not supposed to be here.
No, she didn't pay, but she's been towed every couple days.
Okay. You got it. I get it. Anyway, I'm fixing to yank up this Lexus over here. This blue Lexus has got to get towed. It's going to be a hard one to get out. I'm going to have to spin around and come the other way. This is not an easy property to tow from if you're driving a flatbed. Wow, look at the traffic coming out the other way. Anyway, we got that car loaded and got it off the property. Rolling in hot. We got a HOA call in. Somebody's parked on the street. These are usually pretty fun. Wouldn't be surprised if we don't have some controversy on this call here. It's parked on the end of a street, backed up on the curb right there beside a couple of units. I've mentioned this before. These HOAs, man, all the doorways are so close together, and you don't know what door they're going to come out of or which side they're going to come out of. So you got to be on high alert doing these HOA impounds. You doing construction?
No, we're doing changing the ACs.
Well, whose is that?
That's mine.
Oh, so somebody called it in to tow.
No, that's we're doing the job.
I don't know why they called. I don't know why they would call over. That's the only time people can park there is when it was the jobs.
Yeah.
Well, they were mistaken. Somebody must have been mistaken on that.
Yeah, even the lady here.
Well,
Even the lady here said it was okay.
The only time it's okay is when you're doing construction. That's the only time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's Thank you, man.
No problem.
Anyway, that HOA call in was a dud. That guy was changing out the AC unit of that house. That was a construction company. The AC guy. He was done with the job, and he had all his stuff in a pile. He was fixing to load it up and leave. That was a mistake on somebody's part, and they didn't know he was there doing construction. Anyway, we're gonna roll to the next.